This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity. So it's been almost 5 months since I'm using this iQOO 9 Pro as my daily driver. Well, starting off with design. Design काफ़ी different है as compared to other smartphone brands like Samsung, Motorola. This is the special edition from iQOO which comes with this BMW Motorsport stripe design. As you can see, it has that huge glass design camera bump here, which definitely makes it a head turner. Well, it's not just the camera bump here, the whole back panel is made up of glass, and due to its curved glass panel from both front and back, the phone is much more grippier. Things get more interesting as we move towards the front of the phone. Well, the screen is cutting edge. The iQOO 9 Pro comes with humongous 6.78-inch AMOLED panel. The phone has all the big numbers like Quad HD display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, and moreover, it's a second generation LTPO panel, which results in save more battery. Due to its Quad HD display, the content look extra sharp, and being an AMOLED display, you also get that extra deep black feature. The colors are very accurate and on point. The phone also supports HDR10 plus video. Well, the phone also has the peak brightness of 1500 nits. Other than that, it also has that higher 300Hz touch sampling rate as compared to 240Hz on S22 Ultra. That's great. Guys, one thing to note that the thing which I have not liked about this iQOO 9 Pro is its audio quality. The audio is very mediocre and it sounded very average to me. iQOO 9 Pro का जो यूज़र इंटरफेस है वो वीवो के फन टच ओएस पे बेस्ड है, and it packs a lot of customization. It also has the widget tab in your app drawer itself. iQOO 9 Pro user interface is also very customizable. For example, it has that dynamic effects page in the setting. From there you can choose different types of effects and animation for your UI. Currently the phone is running FunTouch OS 12, which is based on Android 12. iQOO 9 Pro is equipped with one of the best ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It's fast, it's reliable, and it has the bigger sensor area as compared to other smartphone brands. Surprisingly, iQOO has an eye blaster sensor. Apart from Xiaomi, I haven't seen any of the brand including eye sensor. Talking about the performance of the phone, the iQOO 9 Pro is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Well, I haven't faced any performance issue in that department. Overall, the performance was smooth and consistent. Now moving towards the camera, it has the 50 megapixel gimbal stabilized main camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera with the 150-degree of field of view, and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera with an 2.5x optical zoom. The photos which comes out from the main camera and the ultra wide one are really great. The colors, details, sharpness are all on point. The photos are not just great in the daylight only, but if you move towards the night shot, you can see it has a great detail both in wide and ultra wide lens. This video was shot in completely dark environment. You can see there's no detail and light in the video, but as soon as you switch to pro video, you can see the video now. Incredible, right? The combination of gimbal and OIS makes it a great camera experience. The phone can record 8K video up to 30 frames per second. This is the video shot in 4K 60 fps. You can see the quality. The phone comes in two variants, 8GB RAM and 256GB internal, and 12GB RAM and 256GB internal. The phone comes with 4700 mAh battery. It's a decent size, and I've got a screen on time of above 6 hours plus. The phone also shipped with a whopping 120 watt of fast charger in the box. I'll pin the iQOO 9 Pro charging test video in the description, so make sure you check that out. Apart from this, the phone is also splash resistant. So that was the iQOO 9 Pro. The phone has a very different and unique design, very powerful chipset, and a very superb camera system. So yes, definitely it was worth my money. So that's it from my side, guys. Stay safe. See you soon in the next video.